What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. So, just finished doing 4 videos. I don't know if I think I've got them scheduled to upload on YouTube, so it might be out of order or whatnot. But I got 4 videos of 4 Lego time lapses, all put together. The Lego Marvel Sanctum Sanctorium, the Lego Marvel Captain America Shield, the Daily Bugle, and the Avengers Tower, y'all. So if you haven't checked those out yet, make sure y'all click over those videos, watch them real quick, nice reviews. I love that Avengers Tower. It's pretty dope, pretty detailed. So make sure y'all go over there, hit that like button, leave a little comment on it. Let me know if you liked it or not. And also, thanks for supporting the channel, y'all. Thanks for sitting here and watching them. If you're new to the channel, please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you guys get all the notifications of all the good content that I'm trying to upload for y'all and I'm working on. So, all right. So today's video is a sneaker review. So, I was kind of like going on the fence about this release, and I was like, you know what? I've got a few finish line bucks that I can use. So why not? So I used a couple of the rewards on there. Actually, I just used once because they only let you do once or one reward online, which I don't know, that kind of sucks. But yeah, I used one and got $20 off for this release. So it wasn't a hype release. I think it's actually a dope looking sneaker. We'll see here shortly on the quality of it. But it is one of the silhouettes that I do have in the collection. And before I reveal too much, let's just go ahead and get into the actual box for this release. So, and you know what? Oh, it's been dry. Yeah, all the way up till we just had the shock drop for the Bread 4s, the reimagined Bread 4s. So let's see. It's about to pick back up now. I think I'm gonna go for a Aqua stock one of that pair, on the 17th. And yeah, that's pretty much the only anticipated for me. I know they were supposed to drop the Galaxy foams for All-Star Weekend. I haven't heard anything about that, so that's probably not gonna happen. But hey, let's see what happens, all right, y'all. But anyway, let's get to the box for the shoe, review for this one, and here it goes. Boom! We got nice yellow color. We got the box that normally we know what kind of silhouettes go in this box, but I'll read the label for y'all. So here we got the Air Jordan 6 Retro, white, yellow ochre. I don't know what the yellow ochre is all about, but yellow ochre and black, and it is a size 9.5. And in this box, ladies and gents, we got the Air Jordan 6 yellow ochres. Hey, you know what? This ain't bad. This ain't bad at all. I don't got a little overstring here so far, but this quality is not that bad. Check it out, y'all. All right, so first impressions on the shoe. This tumbled leather is amazing for me, of course. You guys know how I love my tumbled leather. But I've got this one string here that I'm trying to see if I can pull. If not, I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors and get it out there. I mean, one of those like flush cutters. But anyway, the nubuck suede type material on that's all yellow. It seems pretty clean to me, good material, but I think if it's supposed to be nubuck, that's supposed to be able to brush it left and right, and I'm not seeing any movement, y'all, so that might be a bad thing. Anything touches that material, it's probably scuffed up forever. So yeah, so far so good. Got gummy soles on the bottom. Everything looks good. All right. Yeah, this is not a bad release, y'all. Again, just a victim of the times. Tax season is in, but probably people don't have their taxes yet, so they ain't go crazy and buy all these up. But the tumbled leather on them is dope. I love it. So, all right, well, let me quit jabbing my jaw and get these in front of the camera, in front on the I think I'll do the levitating display and show y'all that to the left, you know, and then go over them up close too. So, all right, well, let me stop wasting time. Let me get right to it. Set up the levitation display in front of the camera for y'all, and let's review the channel. I mean, let's review the sneakers, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 6 Retro Yellow Ochres, and let's get this going. Let's get this up close and personal going. First, we got the box, of course, your generic Air Jordan 6 box, nice and yellow. So put that to the side and look at these sneakers right here, y'all. All right, so check them out. These things are pretty nice. There is that freaking, you know, little string that I'm gonna have to get later on. I guess that's the only one so far that I see as far as quality issue. Second, of course, being that this right here, the suede or nubuck that's in front of it. Let me get up close to y'all so you can see that. That little suede nubuck doesn't really brush or anything, so I don't know if that's gonna be a normal thing or whatnot for this leather, or maybe it's just smooth leather. But I see that as a potential problem in the future. If you scuff that thing is probably not gonna be something you can brush out like you can with you know, nubuck or suede and that kind of stuff. So other than that, check out the sneakers right there. Here's the front view. Here's your back view with the Jordan on the back, Jumpman on the back. Here you go, nice and simple. So here's a side view of the sneaker right there. Like I said, it's the quality on them are pretty decent. It's not really all that tall, and then of course you see all that tumbled leather. Beautiful. I love it. I love the tumbled leather like that, y'all. It is great. And then of course we got the inner side of the sneaker, tumbled leather all throughout, you know, and then of course that yellow material. Then you got the gummy sole. Here you go right there, nice clear through, translucent, generic Jordan 6 sole. Here's the other one, pretty good quality, like I said, and not gonna complain about these, you know. Like I said, I'll get that later with a little snippy. I got some flush scissors that will get that and knock that out really quick. But yeah, I'm not gonna complain about these. These aren't too bad. Like I said at the beginning, these are probably just gonna be a victim of, you know, the circumstance where, you know, the time and the hype is not behind them, so they're not gonna see the numbers, and you know, they'll hit the under retail sales that stores will have for them and whatnot. So all right, y'all, well, let me know, what do y'all think about these yellow ochre Air Jordan 6 retros? I'm digging them. I'll probably, if I do cop a stock pair, it'll be for under retail for sure. I mean, I got these for under retail in the first place, but I'll probably catch it on a sale or whatnot where it's way below retail for me. So all right, y'all, well, let me know what y'all think about these. Let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about it. If y'all copped, if you didn't cop, if you passed on them, if you doubled up, if you copped them in retail. Let me know what the deal is. Let me know in the comment section, y'all. And let's get back in front of this camera so we can finish our comments and thoughts on this sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Nike Air Jordan 6 Retro Yellow Ochres. And that ochre, man, if they're gonna use that for the rest of the year, that's a little bit of a funny sound or funny name for just yellow. I don't know, but hey, I do notice that, you know, the yellow is a little off between here to there, which makes it look a little crazy, but not too bad, you know. But anyway, let me know what you thought about the review. Let me know what you thought about the sneaker up close. And is this a cop? Are you guys gonna wait for sales, which this probably will go on sale because of it's not a hype sneaker, or it's not been hyped and it's sitting on shelves in places. So, you know, hey, whatever, you know, to help y'all cop that, you know, want to cop on the retail and whatnot, it's gonna be an opportunity. Just stay tuned to all the sales and stuff for Nike, and all the sales on like other sites like JD Sports, Finish Line, Dick's Sporting Goods, you know, all the other retail shops, they'll have these for sale. So just keep an eye out, y'all. So Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for sticking tuned through the video. Make sure you hit that like button. And if this is the first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Make sure y'all share the channel. I appreciate you all. I appreciate it, and I appreciate it. It keeps me going, keeps me making the videos. And hey, we'll go and we'll get to 1,000 one day. 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're at, I think, like 528, 529, y'all. So, all right, well, there's nothing more left to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We have the Air Jordan 6 Retro Yellow Ochres. And until next time, holla at your boy.